In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add gradient background to video in Google Vids. So first, of course, open up your project and go to the scene where your video is placed. Then next is click on this teardrop icon at the top toolbar. Then from solid, switch to the gradient tab. Now from the options, pick a gradient style you like and customize the colors to match your design. And if you want, you can actually create your custom color by clicking on the add button. And here you can start customizing the type of gradient, the angle, and gradient stops, and basically everything about your gradient color. And now also make sure your video is resized or positioned so the gradient is visible around it. This works great for vertical or framed videos. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you again on the next one.